Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Amazfit T-REX 3 vs Amazfit T-REX Ultra. We'll dive into their amazing features, check out their prices, weigh the pros and cons, and crown the ultimate winner. Let's jump right in. Looking at the Amazfit T-REX 3, it boasts an AMOLED display, and so does the T-REX Ultra. When it comes to colors, the T-REX 3 offers lava and onyx black, while the Ultra adds a unique touch with abyss black and Sahara. Brightness, the T-REX 3 shines at 2000 nits, double the Ultra's 1000 nits. For height, the T-REX 3 stands taller at 48.5 millimeters compared to the Ultra's 47.3 millimeters. Its 1.5-inch screen outsizes the Ultra's 1.39-inch display. Plus, the T-REX 3 includes a microphone, something the Ultra lacks. Both watches are 10 ATM and water resistant, making them perfect for adventures. Pixel density, the Ultra edges ahead with 326 ppi versus the T-REX 3's 322 ppi. Need a new band? Both models let you replace it with ease. Resolution is sharper on the T-REX 3 at 480 by 480 pixels compared to 454 by 454 on the Ultra. The Ultra wins on slimness, measuring 13.45 millimeters against the T-REX 3's 13.75 millimeters. Both offer smooth interaction with touchscreens. The T-REX 3 weighs 68.3 grams, much lighter than the hefty 89 grams of the Ultra. The Amazfit T-REX 3 and T-REX Ultra share Gorilla Glass fronts and stainless steel backs with stainless steel bodies. The frames are made of polymer alloy on both. For sensors, both include heart rate monitor, accelerometer, temperature sensor, compass, barometer, depth sensor, gyroscope, sleep, HRV, and steps taken tracking, measures V02 max, calling system, locates your phone, ECG, silent alarm, stopwatch, GPS, flashlight, offline maps. Connectivity, both support Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, but the T-REX 3 features Bluetooth 5.2 compared to Ultra's 5.0. NFC, the T-REX 3 has it, but the Ultra doesn't. Both support GNSS. Battery life favors the T-REX 3 at 27 days, while the Ultra lasts 20 days. Power, the T-REX 3 packs 700 mAh, outpacing the Ultra's 500 mAh. Both use a magnetic charging base, though the T-REX 3 takes 3 hours to charge versus 2 hours for the Ultra. Running on Zepp OS 2.0, both work with Android and iOS. They feature 4 buttons each. Lastly, the Ultra leads in storage with 30 GB, slightly more than the T-REX 3's 26 GB. Now let's talk price. The Amazfit T-REX 3 is more affordable at $280, while the T-REX Ultra comes in at a premium $522. Let's see the pros and cons of both watches. For the Amazfit T-REX 3, the biggest pro is its 2000 nits brightness, while the con is its lower storage. For the T-REX Ultra, the pro is its sleek design and more storage, but the con is its shorter battery life. And the winner is the Amazfit T-REX 3. Its standout features include higher display brightness, a built-in microphone, better resolution, lighter weight, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC support, longer battery life, and greater battery power. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.